magme-makeup tayo kasi lalabas kami. Welcome back. And I'm gonna be quick. I'm gonna use this Lacora BB cream, but the texture is exactly the same with Olay. This is from Aldi, and the smell as well is exactly the same. I prepped my face already. I'm just gonna put a little of this because this one has got it's got SPF 15. I didn't like it at first, but at the end when I find out that it's got SPF in it, I just started using it, and it's quite light. As I mentioned, exactly the same texture and feels with the Olay. We're in the car doing my makeup in the car while waiting for Chris. I'm not gonna put a lot. I'm just gonna use BB cream. Let's see, and then let's move to our concealer. Here, just here, that needed most, nose and here. Just gonna use my finger and gonna add here. We're actually parked in the garage. Not a lot, just to cover that. You can still see my green eye, but let's just cover a little. I've slept less than 9 hours today. Let's put more here because that's more greener here. Go. I think that's fine. I'm just gonna brush my eyebrow. This is Aldi as well, Lacura. And we're gonna do our contour and a blush. I'm gonna use my usual Kiko powder foundation that I've used many times in my video. I'm just gonna bronze my face because I look pale today. I'm using my not clean brush because I actually got this. I actually leave this in my car. Got this makeup kit in the car just in case that the person I'm with or my partner always makes me hurry. I just do my makeup in the car. And then my eye, to put color there. Here we go. And then don't forget the jaw. And here on my nose. Not a lot. There we go. There we go, that's fine now. I'm gonna use the same brush and we're gonna put I actually put my older makeup in this bag. And I'm gonna use the L'Oreal. That looks used now. But it's still got liner, see? And I'm gonna blush around here and here. I actually put so red in there. Pull up. Let's move to our eyeliner. I'm trying to go faster as I can using this. I'm using a burgundy eyeliner. Actually, it looks like red from Tarte. I'm gonna try my best to make it look the same. Did I make it look the same? Oh, this one needs a little more. Does it look the same? That looks the same. That's fine now. Not make it overdo it. This may cause a little disaster and we can't refix it. And then I'm using this because it's double-ended, and I'm using the eyeliner just underneath your lower lash, but only in the corner. That's it. We're gonna curl our lashes using this. Okay, after that, mascara. the YSL mascara. I mean, if they still have left. Yeah. I don't know if you can see those. Lower lash. And now I'm gonna use the Tarte Glam Team highlights, and I'm gonna put it around my cheeks as well, and my cheekbone. Oh, my cheekbone. My brow bone. And here and on top of my brow. Just around here. And blend it. And in my nose. Don't forget my nose. There we go. And my teardrop. And keep it well. And my chin. Oh, I'm using the wrong finger. It happens a lot. I'm using the wrong finger. That's the Tarte Glam Team. I'm gonna try this foundation and try to cut here. And soften those. This is my Florence International foundation, Korean product. This one has got SPF as well, so it's good. SPF 30. Even though it's gloomy today, still need SPF. Still got sun ray, UV ray going through those gray clouds. And I tend to put highlights as well underneath my eyes, my lower, in here, somewhere here. I like this. I like it because it's like a, and then soften that with your finger. There we go. There we go. Now lipstick. The last one is the lipstick. I'm gonna use the one that I got in the bag, the Kiko. I'm gonna use this all over my lips. These are one of my favorite lipstick. Lip tint. Lipstick. This one. I don't know what shade it is. Number 1, number 2. I mean, that's not the shade, I think, because it's kind of oh, I can't read it anymore. Double touch. I don't know what shade it is. I've forgotten it already. Sorry. And then after that, I'm gonna let it dry for a bit. Sorry, noisy outside. I'm gonna use my Giorgio Armani 601 lipsticks, like purple, but I actually use it in the middle of my lips. Yeah, like this. And just do this. Not my teeth. This quite moisturized Giorgio Armani lipstick product. It's quite good for your lips. If your lips quite dry and you use this one, it actually makes your lips moisturizing. I think I'm done. And I'm gonna try to spray this thing, but I'm actually not avoiding it because I've just done my hair. My hair is gonna get pretty. Okay, I'm just gonna do this all-nighter spray. What? That was the Urban Decay all-nighter. The old makeup, I put it here, and I'm actually using it to on-the-go makeup. And that's all I do actually. I don't really redo my eyebrows. I actually leave it like that, even though it's like bold, it looks like bolder. I am bold. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and that you'll be notified with all my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching, and this is the makeup. That's it. Bye bye. Thank you. Love to all. Bye.